Welcome to Home and Haven Living. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Homemade sourdough is more than just bread. It's a healthier, tastier, and more sustainable option that reconnects you with the art of baking. Give it a try and savor the rewards of making your own loaf from scratch. Now that we've made a sourdough starter, let's make the dough. If you haven't seen our video on how to make a sourdough starter yet, check it out in the description below. Are you ready? Let's go. You will need 1/2 cup of active sourdough starter, 4 cups of flour, bread or all-purpose, 1 1/2 cups of water, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Directions. 1. In a large bowl, mix the starter and water until combined. 2. Gradually add flour and salt, mixing until a dough forms. 'Knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes, or until it becomes smooth and elastic. Cover and let the dough rest for 4 to 6 hours, or until it doubles in size. Let's shape and bake. 1. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, or 230 degrees Celsius. Place a Dutch oven or baking stone inside to heat. 2. Shape the dough into a round loaf and place it on parchment paper. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. 3. Score the top with a sharp knife to allow the bread to expand. 4. Bake in the preheated Dutch oven or on the stone for 25 to 30 minutes, covered, and then another 10 to 15 minutes uncovered for a golden crust. Slice and enjoy. Let's look at some troubleshooting if your sourdough bread didn't come out quite right. 1. If your starter isn't bubbly, keep it warm, around 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 degrees Celsius, and ensure you're feeding it regularly. 2. If your bread is too dense, extend the fermentation time or knead the dough more thoroughly. 3. If your crust is too hard, cover the bread while baking or brush it with water before baking. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a comment and let us know how your sourdough bread came out, or if you need further tips and tricks.